You don't need to pay Google $250 a month to create viral CGI ads like these. Well, I found a way to create these exact same results completely free using a method that gives you unlimited access to Veo 3 without paying Google a single dollar. But wait, before I show you the step-by-step method, let me blow your mind with something I've built. I've created a one-click automation that takes this entire process and simplifies it into just 3 inputs: upload your brand logo, type your brand name and products, and boom, you get a professional CGI ad in minutes. No prompts to write, no technical knowledge needed, nothing. But here's why I'm teaching you the manual method first, because once you understand how this actually works, you'll be able to customize any brand style, create unlimited variations, and even build your own automated workflows. Here's what we're covering today. Method 1, the complete step-by-step process that gives you full creative control and teaches you the fundamentals. Method 2, my automated solution that I'll share with you at the end, so you can start creating viral CGI ads immediately. Let's dive in. Alright, step 1 is simple but crucial. We're going to generate our base image using ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and paste this exact prompt and attach an image of your logo or product. This is what ChatGPT will use as reference to create our CGI-ready version. Hit enter and let's see what happens. Look at this, it generated a perfect 3D box with our logo beautifully integrated. This is exactly what we need for our viral CGI ad. This base image is crucial because it gives Veo 3 the perfect starting point to create those smooth, cinematic animations you see in high-end brand campaigns. Now here's the important part, we're ready to make our ad video from this image. But before we move ahead, I need to mention something important about location restrictions. This method currently only works in the United States. If you're in any other country, don't worry, you can connect to a VPN, set your location to anywhere in the US, and you'll be perfectly fine. If you're already in the US, you're all set to continue. Alright, now that we've got that sorted, let's dive into the exciting part, turning our ChatGPT-generated image into a viral CGI ad. We're going to head over to Opal, Google's AI workflow platform that lets you create automated apps just like Make.com, but here's the deal, you can build them using simple conversations. Once you're on the Opal website, we're going to create our video generation workflow. In the chat box, I want you to type this description. Create an app that asks for an image and a prompt as inputs to generate a video, using the image as the starting frame of the video. Hit enter and watch the magic happen. In seconds, Opal will generate a complete, ready-to-use workflow for us. No coding, no complex setup, just pure AI automation. Perfect. Now we have our custom video generator. Let's test it with our ChatGPT image. First, upload the image we created earlier. Next, in the prompt field, paste this exact text, but make sure to replace the placeholders with your actual brand details. And that's it. Hit continue and within just a couple of minutes, you'll have your professional CGI brand video ready to go viral. To download your video, simply click the download button. Now, remember at the beginning when I promised you that one-click solution? Well, here's where I blow your mind completely. I've taken everything we just did, the ChatGPT image generation, the Opal workflow setup, the Veo 3 processing, and automated it into a single, shareable link that anyone can use. Here's how ridiculously simple this is. You upload your logo, enter your brand name and products, and that's literally it. The entire process we just walked through happens automatically in the background, and within minutes you get your professional CGI ad delivered straight to you. The best part is I'm giving you access to this automation completely free. The link is in the description below, just click it, use it as many times as you want, and start creating viral brand videos immediately. Before you go, if this tutorial saved you thousands of dollars and helped you create professional CGI ads for free, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI automation tutorials like this. Drop a comment below showing me the viral CGI ads you create with this method. I love seeing what you build with these tools. And remember, while everyone else is paying $250 a month for Veo 3 access, you now have unlimited free access through this Opal method. Use it, master it, and start creating content that goes viral. I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive into even more AI automation workflows that save you time and money. Until then, keep creating.